Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. Now that our cassava is prepped and boiled, it's time to fry it crispy, season it, and pair it with delicious dips. Let's get started. The foolproof method for crispy fried cassava. Fried cassava isn't hard, but it does punish shortcuts. Think of it like twice-cooked potatoes. First you soften the inside, then you crisp the outside. If you try to fry cassava from raw, the outside browns long before the inside turns tender, and you'll end up with chewy centers. The texture goal is clear, fluffy inside, crunchy outside. To get there, boil until tender, dry well, and fry in hot oil in small batches. You can do a single fry for a good result, or a double fry for extra crunch and deeper golden color. For oil, use a neutral high-heat option like canola, peanut, or avocado oil. Use a deep pot or high-sided pan so the oil level doesn't feel risky, and keep a rack or paper towels ready for draining. Small details like draining and salting right away make a bigger difference than fancy gear. Boil first for a fluffy center, then dry it well for better crunch. Drop peeled cassava pieces into a pot of salted water, then bring it to a boil. Cook until a fork slides in easily, usually 20 to 30 minutes, depending on thickness. If the pieces start to split a bit at the edges, that's not a problem, those rough spots crisp up nicely later. Drain well, then let the cassava sit for a few minutes so steam can escape. Pat the surface dry. Water on the outside is the fastest route to weak crunch and oil splatter. If you have time, chill the boiled pieces for about 20 minutes. Cooler cassava holds its shape better and often fries up a bit crisper. It's optional, but helpful when you want clean fries instead of broken chunks. Frying steps that prevent soggy pieces, oil temp, batches and timing. Heat your oil to about 350 to 375 F. If you don't have a thermometer, test with one small piece. You want steady bubbling around it, not a lazy fizz and not a violent boil. Fry in batches. Crowding drops the oil temperature fast, and that's when cassava starts soaking up oil instead of crisping. Cook until lightly golden and firm on the outside, then remove and drain. For extra crunch, use the double fry method. Fry once to set the crust, rest 5 minutes, then fry again until deep golden and crisp. The second fry is usually quicker, since the cassava is already cooked through. Drain on a rack if you have one. If you use paper towels, don't pile the pieces. Salt while they're hot so it sticks. Flavor ideas, dipping sauces and serving tips that make it a hit. Fried cassava is a blank canvas in the best way. Because it's mild, it can handle bold seasoning without tasting too much. It also loves contrast. A squeeze of lime, a splash of vinegar in a sauce, or a tangy dip wakes up the starch and keeps each bite interesting. Serve fried cassava as a snack with dips, as a side with grilled meats, or as a swap for fries next to burgers and sandwiches. If you're feeding a group, keep it warm on a rack in a low oven while you finish frying the remaining batches. Just don't cover it, trapped steam turns crisp edges soft. Seasonings and sauces that pair perfectly with fried cassava. Try one simple seasoning and one dip, then adjust next time. Garlic salt plus lime. Chili powder plus smoked paprika. Cajun style seasoning. Herbs plus parmesan. Flaky salt. For sauces, fried cassava pairs well with garlic aioli, spicy mayo, chimichurri, cilantro lime sauce, or even a tangy ketchup. One reliable tip, a little acid, lime juice or vinegar, makes the whole plate taste less heavy. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.